Did you know the average household goes through dozens, if not hundreds, of toilet paper rolls each year? Most of these unassuming cardboard tubes end up right in the recycling bin, or worse, the trash. But what if I told you the humble roll holds the potential for something truly wonderful? The concept of upcycling is something I hold very dear. It's about seeing the hidden value in everyday objects. This isn't just about being frugal, it's about being resourceful and mindful of our consumption. Before you toss that next empty roll into the bin, pause for a moment. Consider its sturdy, cylindric shape. We have all that one drawer, tangled nest of charging cables, headphone wires, and miscellaneous electronic accessories. The solution is remarkably simple. Just take an empty roll, perhaps decorate it with a bit of wrapping paper, and then neatly coil a cable and slide it inside. It's an instant fix that makes every cord identifiable and accessible. The principle extends far beyond just electronic cables. That drawer of ribbons, yarn, and twine can easily be tamed. For a truly elegant solution, stand the rolls upright in a decorative box. Suddenly, your supplies are not only organized, they're also beautifully displayed. Do you have a collection of beautiful scarves that end up crumpled in a drawer? Toilet paper rolls can help there too. This prevents wrinkles and keeps them perfectly organized, so you can see your entire collection at a glance. For anyone with a green thumb, toilet paper rolls offer a fantastic opportunity. Simply take a vertical cut at one of the ends of the roll and fold the flaps inward and create a closed base. Fill it with quality seeds mix. Gently press it down. Place your seeds according to the packaging directions. Arrange your new seed starters in a waterproof tray and place them in a sunny windowsill. In a matter of days, you'll see these tiny green sprouts emerge. The true genius of this method is revealed when it's time to transplant. These cardboard starters can be planted directly into the soil. The cardboard will naturally decompose over time, enriching the soil and allowing the roots to grow outward without any shock or disruption. For a simple and delightful children's craft, try making family-friendly owls. Pinch the top of the roll inward on both sides to create two pointed ears. Then, let the children paint the roll, glue the paper on wings, gooey eyes, and a small beak. You can create an entire parliament of owls, each with its own unique personality. The creative possibilities extend to the elegant home decor as well. By slicing the rolls into rings, you can create three-dimensional wall art. Glue these pieces together to form an intricate, lightweight sculpture that looks surprisingly high-end. It's a wonderful way to create the statement piece of your home. Ultimately, the choice to save and reuse toilet paper roll is about more than just organization or crafting. It's a conscious decision that reflects a deeper set of values. This mindset is the foundation of generational wealth, not just in terms of money, but in the wealth of knowledge, skills, and values we pass down. The same spirit of ingenuity that transformed toilet paper into a garden starter is the spirit that builds a sustainable and prosperous future for our families. Ancestry Lands is promoting generational wealth through land ownership and financial awareness to empower people everywhere. I encourage you to look at this humble toilet paper roll in a new light. See it not as trash, but as an opportunity to organize, to create, to nurture, and to teach. Subscribe, like, and follow Ancestry Lands for more content that helps you build legacy through land. Build a better, more resourceful future together. That's it, folks. You can go to Ancestry Lands to start owning property today with payments starting at $250 a month, no credit checks, and owning land has never been easier. It's time to build your land portfolio one property at a time. We help you to get dollars from dirt and build generational wealth by owning small plots of affordable vacant land. Contact us to learn more. Oh, and speaking of dollars from dirt, I also wrote a book about investing in land for you readers out there. My book, Getting Dollars from Dirt, A Beginner's Guide to Vacant Land Investing, is on Amazon. The link is in the description section below. Inside, you'll learn simple, easy to read insights that will have you understanding why you should own land today. For more tips and tricks, subscribe for updates, comment below, and let us know what you enjoyed about this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
And remember, like and subscribe.